A Sigma man doesn't follow paths, he creates them. He stands firm in a world of chaos, driven by purpose and unshakable self-belief. He thrives in the face of challenges, not because he seeks glory, but because he knows struggle is the forge where greatness is made. He doesn't need validation. His success speaks for itself.
This is amazing, isn't it? Hello and welcome to the future of AI. Have you noticed how motivational videos are always trending? They never go out of style because people constantly need inspiration to fuel their dreams, overcome challenges, and stay focused. And here's the best part. This is an evergreen niche. No matter how many channels emerge, there's always room for more. Motivational videos continue to inspire, attract views, and generate income consistently. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an incredible tool called Wondershare Virbo that simplifies the entire process of creating high-quality motivational videos. With just a few clicks, you'll have amazing professional videos ready to share with the world. But that's not all. Stay with me until the end because I'll also show you an additional way to make money using this tool. Let's dive in. To begin, visit the Wondershare Virbo website. The link is in the description below. Simply click on Start Online for free and create your account. Once your account is set up, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. On the main dashboard, click on Create Video to start your project. This will open up the timeline where all the editing tools are available for you to use. The first step in creating your motivational video is generating a talking avatar. Wondershare Virbo offers several options to create avatars. You can choose from pre-made avatars, use your own realistic pre-made photos, or create one entirely from scratch. To create a custom avatar, click on Photo Avatars, then select Create My Avatar. Here, you'll have two options. Upload a photo to convert it into a talking avatar or generate an avatar using a text prompt. For this tutorial, let's generate an avatar with text. Click on Generate with Text and type your desired description. For example, I'll write, a man with a masculine appearance and a thick, groomed reddish-brown beard. After clicking Generate, Wondershare Virbo will create 4 unique avatars based on your description. I really loved the result. If needed, you can regenerate avatars until you're satisfied. Choose the one you like the most and it will be added to your project. Now that your avatar is ready, the next step is to add a voiceover. For this, you'll need a script. If you don't have one prepared, you can use tools like ChatGPT to generate a professional script for your video. Once your script is ready, paste it directly into Wondershare Virbo. Click on the voiceover option where you'll find a variety of voiceover artists to choose from. These options include different languages, genders, and tones. You can filter the results by language or type, making it easy to find the perfect voice for your video. For example, let's choose English and select a male voice. Before finalizing, you can preview the voice to ensure it fits your video.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Love is a serious.
Allow the world to live. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
Once you're happy with the choice, click OK. You'll see the voiceover synced with your avatar on the timeline.
A Sigma man doesn't follow paths, she creates them. He stands firm in a world of chaos, driven by purpose and unshakable self-belief.
If you want your video to appeal to a global audience, Wondershare Virbo also offers an AI translation feature. You can translate your script into multiple languages with a single click. For instance, to translate your script into Chinese, simply select Chinese from the language menu, click Apply, and Wondershare Virbo will automatically convert your script. Subtitles are an essential part of any video, especially motivational ones. Wondershare Virbo makes it easy to add subtitles to your project. At the top of the interface, click on the Subtitles option. Turn on Subtitles and the tool will automatically sync the text with your voiceover. You can fully customize the appearance of your subtitles. For example, you can place the subtitles at the bottom of the screen and choose a bold font for better readability. Once your subtitles are ready, you're one step closer to completing your video. Background music is a key element of motivational videos. Wondershare Virbo offers an extensive library of music tracks that you can browse and preview. Choose a track that perfectly matches the tone and mood of your video. You can also upload a music from your computer.
A Sigma man doesn't follow paths, he creates them. He stands firm in a world of chaos, driven by purpose and unshakable self-belief.
You can also import additional media, such as video clips, images, or sound effects to enhance your video. Furthermore, the platform lets you add stickers, text, or multiple scenes if you want to create a more dynamic and engaging video. Wondershare Virbo's editor is versatile and designed to give you complete creative control over your project. After completing all the steps, your motivational video is ready to go. Click on Export to save the final version of your project. Let's play and check it out.
A Sigma man doesn't follow paths, he creates them. He stands firm in a world of chaos, driven by purpose and unshakable self-belief. He thrives in the face of challenges, not because he seeks glory, but because he knows struggle is the forge where greatness is made. He doesn't need validation. His success speaks for itself. Stay disciplined, stay relentless, and remember, true strength comes from mastering yourself. Be the storm, not the echo. Rise, because the world is waiting to see what only you can achieve.
Amazing! Now you can upload your video to platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. To maximize your success, aim to upload at least 2 to 3 videos daily on each platform. Consistency is key to building an audience and generating passive income. There are 2 main ways to monetize your motivational videos. First, upload them to platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. These platforms reward consistent content creators, so posting regularly will help you gain views, followers, and income. Second, you can offer video creation services on Fiverr. If you search for AI-generated motivational videos on Fiverr, you'll see many creators charging significant amounts for similar services. You can easily create personalized motivational videos for clients using Wondershare Virbo and tap into this lucrative opportunity. Not many people know about this yet, so it's a great chance to get ahead in the market. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Wondershare Virbo today and create stunning motivational content that inspires millions. Whether you're uploading videos for yourself or offering services to clients, this tool makes the process quick, easy, and highly rewarding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Future of AI for more exciting tools and tips. See you in the next video.